Hey Russell fam, in today's video we're going to show you the homeschool STEM project finished. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. I am a homeschooling mom of two. I have been homeschooling since 2012. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down in the bottom. I upload videos when we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There I talk about tips and tricks and things that I have learned during my homeschool journey that I like to share with you. And if you're a returning Russell fam, I am so glad you are back. In today's video, I am going to show you the homeschool STEM project that Bailey and Becca helped us do from the ground up. Now, their dad is an engineer, so he did the majority of it, but Bailey and Becca participated in every aspect of it that they could. Now, we didn't allow them to use, the big major saws and that kind of stuff, but they were here to witness and help and design it and all of that. So let me show you a tour of it. All right, here is the outside, and we are going to walk all the way around. They have a light up here at the top. They've got windows. They have a keypad so they can lock it when they're in there, and we don't have to worry about losing keys or keeping up with keys or any of that. We have a metal roof on the top. Here's the side. And don't worry, folks, they're not going to get hot or cold. We still got a little construction to clean up back here. But there's the roof again. Here's the side. There are the blocks. Bailey enjoyed digging every single one of these holes. And I'll insert a picture right here of him doing that. All right, let's go inside. All right, when we first walk in, you see their TV and their little storage area for their sheets, because they have two futons that turn into beds at night when they are in here. So let's start over here in this corner. We just walked in. We have a window right there. I have custom blinds ordered, but they are not in yet because those are small windows. And let's see. Trying to get it all in the frame. There's the ceiling. Here's our floor. Then we pan around this way. This is a 12 by 12. There's their air conditioner and heater. There's Minnie just hanging out. There is our lamp. There's the other futon. Mike's working on a table that we're going to put over there in the corner. And this is from this corner. There's the door. Here's the flooring that we did to go along with our rustic look. Then you see the baseboards that we did there. And then you go up here to see the ceiling work. And there is the bright light. Typically when the kids are in here, they just use the lamp in the corner, which is plenty. This is their computer table / remote holder and earbuds, and their air conditioner is remote controlled. So this is what it looks like inside the clubhouse. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. But like I said, this was a STEM project for the kids. They helped assemble this. They help assemble the futons. And they have participated in every aspect of this. They might not have been able to do it all, with the paneling and the ceiling and that type stuff. They could not do it. Dad did it, but they were here. They were handing us things that we needed when we were doing all this. So they learned every aspect of it, how to design it from the ground up. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough and seeing the finished product from our STEM project. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.